lucky people. I really hope this video can help you guys. Remember to click subscribe and click the notification. Stay tuned and happy watching. I remember when I can type with my 10 finger. That is start from when I was child, especially graduated from elementary school. I got inspiration from my best teacher. My best teacher is a man. He can type faster, really faster. Just focus on monitor without looking at for the keyboard. I thinking that is impossible. How it can be? So I thinking deeply to try type that one. So I start from the easier one, from what I really like type is the subject on my school, shopping list, and then magazine like zodiac like that, and wedding card, infinity card, until I type the newspaper. I really do it by myself. And are you not tired? I'm tired. So if I tired, I will take rest. After that, I feel enough to take rest. I do it again and again. So sometimes when I'm free time without the computer, suddenly my hand like this. That is my processing how I can type with 10 finger. Exactly based on my experience before. Okay, and now let's check it out. I will give you some tips and tricks how can I type this using 10 finger. Let's check it out. First, making your body relax, rest, and good position like this picture. Second one, learn to touch types. Make sure that you familiar with touch types. And the third one is you minimize your movement hand. Fourth one is practice typing for accuracy. Speed. Okay, so step by step, little by little. Okay, make sure that you're enjoyable. Okay, and the fifth one is visualize your types. For this one, maintain your focusing on typing. Okay, that is clear enough. And the next is the position. Basic position is you can feeling the palm on the keyboard, on your keyboard. From F and G key. From the right one is F keys, and for left one is J key. Okay, and your position like this: F, J, K, and symbol. And for the right hand, for the left hand, start from A, S, D, M. And how about the thumbs? Our thumbs, we put our thumbs on space bar. Okay, get a point? We should remember it? No, that is important. The important thing that our position on the thumbs. Okay, that is help us to guide our typing. I think that's all. If you have more questions, you can comment on below. And see you for the next video.